Are you enchanted by nature's delicate creatures? Today we'll show you how to preserve a butterfly at home. First, find a butterfly that has naturally passed away. We want to honor its life, not harm it. Next, place it in a container with a few drops of water and tightly seal it. This keeps it soft and flexible for handling. After 24 hours, carefully take out the butterfly. Gently spread its wings on a flat surface using pins to hold them in place. Be patient and delicate, they're fragile. Now let's talk drying. Place the butterfly in a dry, cool place away from sunlight. In about a week, it should be perfectly preserved. For the final touch, use a display case or frame to protect your butterfly. Voila! You've captured a piece of nature's artwork that can be cherished forever. Remember, nature is a treasure. By preserving it, we're giving it a second life to inspire others. Happy preserving!